This device is WE2805-E. Now let's open the box. Let's take a look at this device. There is a background IP address on the label. Background default password, admin. The power supply supports 12V1A. And Wi-Fi name, 2.4G model. The following is the insertion method. First, chip down. Chip inserted downward. There is a manual inside. A certificate of conformity. One power adapter. Parvacostally. Turn on electricity. Look at these lights. The red one is the starting light. Green light when normal startup is completed. When dial-up, successful network connection appears in blue. Then open the phone settings. Device found. Connect to the network. Enter browser. Import IP address 192.168.1.1. Enter password, default password, admin. Go to home page. Specific information of the network operator is on home page. There is signal intensity, SIM number, module used, wireless network name, line used. Enter network. Now click on the 4G list. Perform API settings. Fill in the APN provided by the network operator. Click Save. Accomplish. On page content, signal strength is also displayed. Execution log. Open the Wi-Fi setup. The default is no password. Select one of the inputs. Enter an 8-digit password. This completes all configurations and can be used normally.